Hi guys! So for today's video, obviously, nakita niyo naman sa title, we are going to explore the world of the BLK Cosmetics Love Story Bridal Collection. Dalawa yung, anong tawag dito? Parang dalawa yung theme, I Do and Mon Amour. I think I got the Mon Amour collection. So, hindi ko naman pwedeng bilhin yung dalawa dahil kasi yung mga nasa 3,000. Eh, ito, nasa 1,500 something. So, it's too expensive if I'm gonna get both. So, I'm so sorry. Pero if you wanna know kung ano yung parang itsura nung Mon Amour collection, keep on watching. So, actually, dahil parang ano to, parang loves, by the way, ito pala yung packaging. O, diba, nakalibre ang, hindi pala nakalibre. So, kinuha ng BLK Cosmetics yung mga wedding photos ni Ann Curtis from her very own wedding. So, syempre, binayaran nila yun. So, and this is what the book looks like. I'm not sure if this is still available. Chinek ko kasi sa Shopee, pero parang hindi na. So, it was a limited edition na, ano, siguro, parang, you know, the collection. I'm not sure though. Go check it out. I'm gonna link it down below. Pero, ang ganda. Napakaganda. Hindi katapon-tapon yung lalagyan. So, what we're going to do, guys, is I'm going to use it on my face. And then, sa bandang dulo na tayo, chumika. Kahit pa paano, parang gusto ko for this video, medyo relaxing yung ating makeup application. Walang masyadong chika. I'll try. And then, but, you know, I want you guys to listen to some love songs while I get ready. I hope you don't mind. So, without further ado, let's start.
I've said it many times, I know I would change my ways, I know for sure. When all the crows decide to meet, they settle down beneath my feet. I've got it right and I got it wrong, but I learned my lesson hanging on. Come sit here with me by the fire and let it go for a little while. So be here as the night starts falling. Let my fingers walk over your head.
was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
I've said it many times, I know I would change my ways, I know for sure. When all the crows decide to meet, they settle down beneath my feet. I've got it right and I got it wrong, but I learned my lesson hanging on. Come sit here with me by the fire and let it go for a little while. So be here as the night starts falling. Let my fingers walk over your head. We got nothing to be scared of. I'd rather be with you than by myself. Now all is in your hands. Control will lead me to.
Hey guys, so we are done with the finished look. This is it right here. So I'm kind of in love with the finished product because for me lang naman, I don't look like super duper made up. Para lang ako, alam mo yung mustisang nalamigan ng bonggang-bongga, kaya naging rosy and everything. Alam mo yon, defined yung eyes, glowy skin, may blush, and oh my god, you guys, sumikat ng bonggang-bongga yung araw. My god! Wait, nasisilaw ako. Okay guys, so I hope you don't mind yung lighting natin because I'm using natural light and the sun is like somewhere up there and it's focusing on my Anyway, okay, so sabihin ko na yung final thoughts ko with the collection. I really enjoyed applying it. It's so easy to use. Sige, unahin natin si eyeshadow. Si eyeshadow, the shades are very, very simple. Like, you can use it for everyday. You can use it for, like, wedding or kahit anong simple occasion. Medyo powdery lang siya. Wala naman siyang bonggang-bonggang fallout over here when I applied it. For the price of 449, well, 450 pesos, it's quite expensive for, like, you know, this tiny product. Pero, ang ganda kasi ng packaging. Very sturdy. And I think this is a parang, alam mo yun, it's not their typical collection. This is like a special collection kasi nga, Ann Curtis wedding photos, alam mo yun, yung ginamit. So, if you're a fan of BLK and Ann Curtis and you have the budget, go ahead. Pero yung shades niya, not necessarily like very unique. If you have a lot of eyeshadow palettes, I think you will find these shades somewhere out there. Pero for a beginner, this is a good choices of shade. You can use it for everyday or you can use it for a special occasion. And it's slim, you can bring it anywhere, and it's matibay, the packaging. Next is itong BLK Mini All Over Paint. I was expecting that it's going to be a, you know, parang pang blush. Pero ang kasama pala sa Monamo collection is a parang highlighter. And as a highlight, okay naman siya. Kasi, it's pinkish, pero pag ginanon mo, ano naman siya, alam mo yun? Magdi-disperse naman yung pagiging pinkish niya. I think all skin tone can probably use this. Pwede lang if you're like a very, very deep morena. Kasi feeling ko magiging super matingkad itong ganitong shade. Kasi if you're morena, maganda yung mga golden, pero itong mga pinkish, it's somehow gonna look silvery, grayish on your skin tone. Okay, so that's that. And how much siya? 329. I think 329 is a fair price for this shade. Sana 299 na lang, no? Sinonggal na lang yung 29 pesos. Sana medyo binaba nila ng slides at 299. Pero again, this is a special collection. Kaya, 329. Okay, for the lipstick. The lipstick, wala akong masabi sa formula ng BLK Cosmetics. I love the formula. I'm just not that super in love with the shade. Kasi parang medyo, well, pwede mo naman kasi siyang idab. Pero pag in-apply mo siya na full pack on color, it's too bright for my liking, for my personal taste. For bride, medyo kasi siya peachy pink. So, warm tone naman siya. I think it's gonna work with a lot of skin tones. Pero hindi ko lang siya, it's not my favorite. But what I love is the lip gloss. But this lip gloss, I don't think this is perfect for na ito lang yung gagamitin mo. You can use it na ito lang, you know, for everyday, ganyan-ganyan. Pero for special occasion, lalo na pag pipicturean ka, medyo maputla itong lip gloss na to. You gotta have something underneath. And then put this on top. Kaya yung ginawa ko is para magkaroon ng medyo slight color naman on my lips. Nagdab ako ng lipstick, very slight, and then I put this on top. Para ma-uplift naman ng konti yung shade. Kasi kung ito lang gagamitin mo, it's too nude. It's too brownish. And then, pag nag-picture kayo, you might look, you know, slight dead. Greasy dead. Lalo na kung morena ka pa, tapos ito lang yung gamit mo. That's like, I don't know. Pero, yeah, maganda to as a lipstick topper, lalo na if you're gonna go to events. And then, what else? So, yun lang, actually. Yun lang. Meron lang tayong 4 products. Sayang wala ako nung parang yung ganito, pero blush. Pero so far, happy naman ako. Happy naman ako sa purchase na ito. I think I'll be reaching more for this. And then this one. Not so much on these two. Well, sige, maybe isama natin to. Not so much on the lipstick. Yeah. So guys, I'm not sure if available yung collections. I think available yung parang entire, I don't know. I'm gonna link it down below. Check nyo na lang. Kapag may nakita kayong link na ganito, well, ibig sabihin available pa siya. If not, you can purchase it like individually. So yeah, that concludes this video, guys. I hope kahit paano nag-enjoy kayo as I put it on, as I try it on, and kayo na mag-decide if you're gonna buy these products or not. And I'm so sorry kung yung Monamo collection lang yung mapapakita ko kasi yun lang yung carry ng budget kong bilhin. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye. Okay,